How expensive are stocks? Let's have a look at how expensive they are. You're paying $27 for every future dollar of expected profit in Microsoft. Similarly, $29 for every future dollar of expected profit in NVIDIA. Well, here's an issue. That's cheap. How do we know that's cheap? Well, cheapness is measured in two parts. One is in absolute terms. Secondly, relative to other securities today. And well, thirdly, there is a third way, relative to its own historic past numbers. Well, for Microsoft and NVIDIA, I can tell you paying $29 for every future expected dollar of profit is, in absolute terms for those stocks, cheap. So relative to their history, but in absolute terms for just technology companies, cheap. Relative to others, cheap because it's relative. Look at Tesla, 200. These stocks could rise eightfold, including Apple, including Alphabet, Meta, Oracle. They could rise eightfold and only then meet Tesla and Palantir valuations. They could rise fivefold and meet CrowdStrike valuations. Indeed, they're cheaper today, as you can see there, than Walmart and Costco. Let me say that again. You're paying $42 for every future dollar of expected profit in Costco, but only $27 in every future dollar of expected profit in Microsoft. You might have a good reason for it. A good reason for it could be that you believe that Costco and Walmart will grow at a faster rate, their profits and their sales, than NVIDIA and Microsoft will be. Seems a bit unlikely. I'll analyze more of this and how we use this to build portfolios which create good growth pension portfolios in future videos. So like, follow, share, and keep this as well for the future. And don't forget what's written above my head. You might well want to give us a free pension education call if your pension is indeed underperforming. Thank you very much. We'll do a free pension review for you as well for educational purposes, not investment advice. Thank you very much.